Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we are going to configure customer-wise consolidated and detailed sale report. To begin, under the Reports and Queries section, select Sale Registers. Next, open the Sale Register Crosstab report. Click on Configuration to open the setup and define the report configuration. Next, navigate to Report Options and under Report Consolidation, enable the Party-Wise option. In the Report Totals section, enable the Grand Total option to display both overall totals and party-wise totals. Since the requirement is to generate a party-wise report, define the report order as party-wise by moving it to the top using the arrow keys. Then, go to Transaction Options and enable the setting to view transaction details, choosing whether to display them by value or by quantity. After making these selections, save the changes to finalize the configuration. From the list of available report configurations, select the newly created configuration and click on Create. By default, all columns will be visible. To customize, click on Setup Column Attributes, deselect all columns first, and then select only the required ones, such as party name for a party-wise sales report. You can also rearrange the column order using the arrow keys. Finally, save the settings and refresh the report by pressing F2. The report now displays party-wise sales for the defined date range, and you can configure the columns as required. This is the consolidated report, but if you want to view the report in a detailed format, open the configuration window. To generate a detailed report, go to Report Options and under Report Consolidation, enable the bill number option along with any other fields you want to include in the report. Since this is a detailed report, it is essential to enable item details and select all relevant item-wise options you wish to display. After carefully reviewing the settings, save the configuration. Next, open Setup Column Attributes and select the specific columns you want to view. For a detailed report, it is recommended to include columns such as item name, item details, item rate, and others as required. Save the settings and refresh the report to view the detailed output. You can also use the party filter to generate the report. It will display the bill details for that particular party.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.